the perfect you in my head. Cause physically you are the blueprint, but internally, goddamn, you're a mess. So to stay with you, I had to imagine that he is perfect. Anything I give him, he deserves it. Rarely does he ever come to see me, but anytime he does, he makes it worth it. Like I earned it, gotta love him. And when I'm with you, I can't help myself but only think about him. I can't wait to see him again. God, I miss him. And when I'm with you, I'm just thinking about how much I wish it was him. I can't wait to see him again. More frequent visits would have been nice, but I don't want you knowing that there's somebody new. Sometimes I get what clog up my mind, but is it cheating if I love a